Drivers Look and Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Toyota Yaris, stock number 6832. Let's run from the 8th 2011 to the 12th 2019. It has an NCP 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.